Hi, this is Lyle Alexander, and I want to invite you right now to join me in the 2Social business social networking system. It's a worldwide community for like-minded people just like you and me. It's kind of like fishing for fish in a barrel, if you know what I mean. It's a social network for network marketers, so we can meet new people, share our ideas, show our businesses, find new action takers to join us in business. And you can advertise your business to action takers globally if you choose. You can every day you should go in and find new people, and you can wind up with hundreds or even thousands of followers. And this is a great place to be for everyone that's in business. So click the link in the description below and come along with me right now.